manage a national insurance program for AMEs and AMOs. In case you don't know what that is, aircraft maintenance engineers and aircraft maintenance organizations. For the AMEs, we have a contractor program. So an individual working out of the back of their pickup truck, visiting airports and aircraft, working on their own. For AMOs, we have a full package covering all your exposures for you and everyone working on your behalf. There are 4 coverages AMEs and AMOs need. I'm going to just briefly go through them for you.
Like this.
Premises and operations liability covers you for bodily injury or property damage you're held responsible for on an airport, off an airport, anywhere in the course of your work. It could be resulting from a licensed or unlicensed vehicle airside, anything. Basic liability, slip and fall coverage. Hangar keeper's liability, perhaps the worst name out there, in my opinion, covers you for damage to aircraft in your care, custody, and control. This means damage to aircraft that you're working on or parked in your hangar or outside or tied down. Could be waiting for the aircraft owner to pick it up, could be waiting for you to work on it. Products liability covers you for bodily injury or property damage resulting from a service performed when the aircraft leaves and there's damage to an aircraft. So once again, covers you for bodily injury, property damage you're held responsible for resulting from work performed after the aircraft leaves and an aircraft is damaged. When you have products liability on your policy, the insurance company also pays all adjusting and legal fees and handles everything for you. This is an addition to your products liability. We also include tools and equipment because we know it's more than likely not covered on a homeowner's policy. So your tools, equipment, spare parts, wherever they are also covered. We also have some sudden and accidental pollution coverage, covering cleanup costs just in case contaminants are released. Could be from an aircraft, could be from your pickup truck, just to make sure that you're fully covered. We put together this program for the AMEs and AMOs across Canada, working with the provincial AME associations. There is a discount for any member of any AME association across Canada. Any AMEs and AMOs, please take advantage of this national program with group pricing and extra coverages.